What is going on, guys? This is my game hack video. It's not really a game hack. It's not a game hack video. It is a C++ memory hooks reverse engineering internal game functions video. But just to give you the idea, it's a game cheat. You could just type this anywhere into the game and press enter. Find somewhere to press enter. Type it into the game and press enter. This is programming. You have to convert this Python code to C++ or C. Those are different programming languages for this to possibly work. And then you could just type this down in the game somewhere and press enter. Find a way to press enter for it to accept. Make it accept. We're defining a function. I'm not going to explain programming or anything. You might need to know about that. We're defining a function. In that function, we're telling the game using what the game is actually made of, the commands and stuff, to get item. Usually a programmer would put something like get item so it's readable to the human eye, to the human brain, to the person, to the human basically. So readable to humans basically. So they could know what they're doing, know how to traverse around, know what it's called. That's why it's called get item. And we put sword here. You can put anything you want in here. Sword. You could put gun, heart, health, whatever items are called. The programmer would have to put readable stuff like this as the actual code, get item. And it would have something like sword. It's a cross-site scripting sort of thing. Trying to activate something by typing it into the... This function does this, basically. This function does this. And then we call the function, we activate the function by typing it down here and pressing, and then running the program. Pressing enter. See what he has to say. What's going on, guys? Today we're looking at C++ memory hooks and reverse engineering internal game functions. I am showing you the logic here in Python so it's clean and easy to study. But to actually run this, you need to port this exact structure into C or C++ compiler. We are defining a function called inject engine hook. Inside we use print get item sword. In a real world scenario, your compiled C DLL hooks the game's internal memory addresses. When you run it, it forces the game engine's global spawning functions to execute your string directly, printing the success state to your console. If you run this natively in Python, it won't have the OS privileges to inject into another process's memory space. Translate this framework to a C++ pointer setup. hook it into your game window and see if it works for you. Break down the code, study it, and see you next time, guys. Yeah, guys, that's a good explanation of it right there. Very hard to explain for me. I don't know what I should explain. Now, this might be meant for only programmers, or but you could just I sort of explained it to you a bit. You just type this in. This is what this does. If the programmer named it getItem because it needs to be readable to humans, he probably would have called it that. It's usually called something like that. And we specified sword. This function does this. Prints it out. Printing it means it prints to the screen. Then we activate it here. I told you that. That's the basic idea of it. So just type this somewhere in your game and press enter. Find a way for it to accept. Get the hang of it a bit. Maybe you could start writing. Yeah, get the hang of it a bit. That's it, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, the game hack video. Video games. It's not a game hack video though, because that might be against the rules. Exploitation and stuff. You know what I mean? Anyway, guys, hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys next time.